psychopathology. One idea is solipsism, where a person goes into mania and they take on all these different sorts of philosophical approach. One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one mental disorder. So let's dive into specifically what exactly is bipolar. You have different sorts of bipolar. You have bipolar 1, which is manic episodes. You have bipolar 2, which is hypomania. You have
What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of consciousness.